Okay, back here at the house, I've got some rain coming tonight. 100% chance. I'm going to do a little rain test here on the Gossamer Gear, the one. Got it set up. A little bit of a slope head to toe, which you know, it's not on any more of a slope. And a lot of places I got to pick when I was out hiking on the AT, so we'll see how it does in the rain tonight. So we'll see what kind of condensation happens without me in it, and how it does. The corner right there is not too far back of that bathtub from the edge, and neither is this one. So we'll have to see how that holds up. All right, everybody. Until tomorrow. Well, we've had about 4.5 hours of good rain. Started about 4 a.m. You can see it's a little saggy. That's normal for nylon. It will sag when it gets wet. Let's see how it did on the inside. Just a little bit of condensation, just very so slightly on the inside. Don't know how it would have been if I'd actually been in it as far as condensation goes, but seems to be dry on the inside. Corners are dry, no leaking. So that's a good sign. You get held up pretty well. My dog doesn't trample it. All right. So held up quite well in quite a bit of rain. All right, so I shook the tent off from the night's rain, stuffed it in that sack, and brought it in here and waited. If you remember with the dew, when I did this check after having just shaken it off, because now the dew is on both sides of the tent, it was at 2 pounds, 1 1/4 ounce. So that was at like 33 ounces, and this is at 26 and a half, basically 5/8. So it actually weighs less, having been rained on. So the having significant condensation from that one night actually added more water weight to pack out than what it did with it raining all night. So I guess that kind of shows that it didn't have that much condensation on the inside like the other tent did. So what I take from this is the importance of having an absorbent rag or something that you can wipe the condensation up with, because that was I want to say 7 ounces worth of extra condensation from the other day. So yeah, get a ShamWow or a little backpacker towel and wipe out that condensation, because it'll make a difference in the pack.